Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News. Uba prestun tensong uba de usembut menteri rangba ke Jala Meghalaya men haka arphuai tereng unaitung habaya kren hakilat patai khubor hasilong ulaong banjit hadu lai sauteli ki jaka kalong namar bala mi ke jingpyrshah ka bajur nakador barsnong mauba abad UMLA halor ke jing thmu jong ka Sorkar ban ai lai akar ka jaka hajan ka RPCS hostel bantai yak ying mala ban pensa yak ibreu basha pen kanria na Khar Metor. Uba prestun tensong uba day chairman jangka high level committee ulaong baka jaka hajan ka RPCS hostel kadai kawai niki jaka bla itu ban penkanria yakini kibreu Henry Kampadon Satya kanu ka jingshim rai ka bakhaddu ulaong syusyuru ba ulap tha yaka tanar urban affair bakan wanra syaka HPC yaka jingterwa ban kedeu omtang yaka wai ka jaka Henry kadai bandon ar nilai teli ki jaka haka jingwan yakendu yu orang ba kamau ba abad UMLA ka West Shillong ba mehendro rapsang kilapen pau ya ka jing singau tenan ban penkanria ya kibreu na Khar Metor shamau ba Henry nakalyang jong ka Harijan Panchayat Committee dangshan kilapen pau ya ka jing bom so tenat ya ka rai ban penkanria ya kibreu na Khar Metor shamau ba unong yalam ka HPC u Gujrat Singh ulapen kan mau bah ka arpsan trik yayong ka HPC kala menjur ban penkanria no na themyo malong halor ka kendon ka Sorkar kadai ban ai arspa phut metal saudong ka jaka syakawai pakawai neki laispa sapo artli ke longying ka bahap hapo ka European ward na lor ba bei tengkaru ya ka jingtai ying haba kali uba prestun ulaong ba ka jingkali halor ka European ward lani ka jingkali halor ka Khasi ward lani ka jingkali halor ka Meghalaya ward kami Satya ulaong shisin bla de penkre ka plan ni ka jingterwa en penlong no ya ka jingyalang bat ka HPC kan sasyim ya karai ka bakhaddu
Urban Affairs Department to bring me the blueprint. Of course, one of the area is TB hospital, and then maybe they have another options, another alternative. So for that, I don't have to mention anything. Of course, that day I met the headman along with his committees, along with the local MLA, who has expressed their discontentment, their displeasure to shift these people from the existing location to that place. So I told them, please be patient because I still cannot say anything right now since the blueprint is not in my hand right now. So once the blueprint comes in, so I understand and I have to also respect the sentiments of the local authority. So I will try my best. We will try our best from the government to adjust accordingly so that each side are also happy.